Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy spinach artichoke dip. It's a great crowd pleaser recipe, perfect for parties or an appetizer throughout the week. You can easily serve it with veggies or chips, whichever you prefer. So the first thing we're going to need to do is go ahead and get our ingredients. You will need a 14-ounce can of artichokes drained, 2 cups of fresh spinach, 3/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 3/4 cup of real mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, 6 ounces of cream cheese softened, along with half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. And then you will also need 1 clove of crushed garlic, a tablespoon of dill weed, a teaspoon of dried parsley, and then whatever you want to serve it with. So we typically do this with tortilla chips. You can also serve it with veggies as well. So the first thing you're going to do is prep all of your ingredients and preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So that is what I'm doing here, and you will also need a food processor because the first thing we are going to do is go ahead and chop up our artichokes and spinach. So I have that in my food processor, and I'm going to finely chop that up to a super fine consistency, which you'll see here in a second. And we are going to add that chopped up spinach and artichokes, which you can see in this picture. It's the green stuff here. And we're going to add it to a bowl, and then we're going to add in the Parmesan cheese, mayo, sour cream, cream cheese, mozzarella, garlic, dill weed, and parsley all into that bowl. And then we've got to get this nice and mixed up. Now the hardest part with this, or the trickiest part, is getting that cream cheese fully mixed in. But you just want to stir this up and completely combine it. And once that's done, you're going to prepare an 8-inch pan and spread the dip into the pan. So I usually use kind of like an oval shaped pan, but you can do any about 8-inch pan that you prefer. And then once that's spread into the pan, we will go ahead and bake that in the oven. So that is what I have here. You can see the pan I used. So I baked this for 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now in the last 5 minutes or so, I put it on a low broil and let it brown on top. So that's how it's gotten that brown and crispy look on the second picture there. Now you want to watch that very closely when you put it on broil, because if you forget about it, you will toast or burn the whole top of your dip. Which, if that happens, you can just scrape that right off and it will still be fine. Trust me, I've done it. But you want to watch it closely, and if you do, you'll get that perfectly crispy brown look on top like I've got here. So now we have got it ready to serve, and we're going to serve ours with tortilla chips. So you can find this whole recipe for spinach artichoke dip over on mommyhatescooking.com. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next one. Thanks so much for tuning in today.